Okay, so we've been asked to evaluate 3/4 plus 2.5 times 1 1/3, giving your answer as a mixed number. Show all your working. So we can't just type this into your calculator. Okay, you can certainly use your calculator to check your answer, but we've got to show our working. So the first thing we've got to recognise, we've got two operations here with multiply and adding. And if we remember, BIDMAS tells us that we're going to, or BODMAS tells us we're going to do the multiplying before the adding. So we've got to multiply 2.5 by 1 1/3. Now the easy way to do this is to write them as mixed numbers, as vulgar fractions. So 2 1/5 is 5 halves, and 1 1/3 is 4 thirds. Okay, because we're multiplying, we can cancel. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 2 twice. Always has to be bottom with top. Okay, so that's the same as 10 over 3. So then we've got to do the second part of the calculation now. 3/4 plus 10 over 3. So we need a common denominator. So the common denominator between 4 and 3 is 12. Okay, so that's going to be, need to multiply top and bottom by 3, so it becomes 9/12 plus need to multiply top and bottom by 4, so 40. And then we add the numerator, so it's 49 over 12. Now, the way to do that is divide 49 by 12. 12 goes into 49 4 times, remainder 1. So as a mixed number, it's going to be 4 and 1/12. That's what you do when you do that. You divide, gives you the whole number, and then the remainder over 12 is the fraction part. Now part B then, find the lowest common multiple of 48 and 80. Now most people will do this by listing multiples. So of the larger numbers, so we'll start with 80, 160, 240, 320, 400, 320, 400. And then we start with the multiples of 48. So we've got 48, 96, 96 plus 48, 144, 80, 92, 192, 240. And then once they get the numbers that are the same, they will list it down. Now of course the alternative method of doing it is to take each and break them down into the prime factors. Okay, so somebody else could have went 48 and 80. Okay, both divide by 2, 24, 40. Both divide by 2, 12, 20. Both divide by 2, 6, 10. Both divide by 2, 3, 5. Okay, so we can see there that that's all the common factors. So then 3 times 280 or 5 times 48 gives you 240. So say either method is perfectly acceptable.